It's like already like right there. Oh, here we go. This will be a good one. Oh yeah, let's get it out. Oh, it didn't happen. False start.
I'll be working in my office, and then like I sneeze, and then I just hear Jesus Christ, and then he texts me. He goes, "God damn it, are you okay? Do you need help?"
Have you fallen and you can't get up?
Yeah. Like, what the fuck? I sneeze. I don't have a cute sneeze.
You do not have a cute sneeze. Well, you have like a preface to the sneeze. Like before you sneeze, it's like, ah! Yeah, she like battle call.